What did God ask Noah to build?
An ark.
What sign did God give after the flood?
Rainbow.
Who was swallowed by a big fish?
Jonah.
Who led the Israelites out of Egypt?
Moses.
What sea did God part for the Israelites to cross?
Red Sea.
Who received the Ten Commandments from God?
Moses.
What did David use to defeat Goliath?
Sling and stone.
Who was thrown into a den of lions but was not hurt?
Daniel.
What did Jesus teach us to say when we pray?
The Lord's Prayer.
Who created the universe and everything in it?
God.
What bird brought back an olive leaf to Noah?
Dove.
Who was sold by his brothers into slavery?
Joseph.
Who was the strongest man in the Bible?
Samson.
Who was the shepherd who became a king?
David.
What did Jesus do for sick people?
Healed them.
Who was the earthly father of Jesus?
Joseph.
What was baby Jesus placed in after he was born?
A manger.
What guided the wise men to baby Jesus?
A star.
How many wise men came to visit baby Jesus?
Three.
Who told Mary she would have a special baby?
An angel.
Who was known for his patience and suffering?
Job.
How many days and nights did it rain during the flood?
$40.
Who was known as the father of many nations?
Abraham.
Who killed Abel?
Cain.
Who betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver?
Judas.